Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online $1,000 per week from Pinterest. I know what you're thinking, Pinterest? Really? But yes, Pinterest is actually a great platform for making money online. In fact, I've made over $1,000 per week from Pinterest on multiple occasions. So, if you're interested in learning how to make money from Pinterest, then keep watching. What is Pinterest? Pinterest is a social media platform where people can share and discover images, videos, and GIFs. It's a great platform for finding inspiration, recipes, DIY projects, and more. But Pinterest is more than just a social media platform. It's also a powerful search engine. People come to Pinterest to search for ideas and products. And that's where the money-making opportunity comes in. If you can create content that people are searching for on Pinterest, then you can drive traffic to your website or blog. And once you have traffic to your website or blog, you can monetize it in a variety of ways, such as through affiliate marketing, display advertising, or selling your own products and services. How to make money from Pinterest? There are a few different ways to make money from Pinterest. The most common way is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote other people's products and services in exchange for a commission on any sales that you generate. To make money from Pinterest through affiliate marketing, you need to create content that features your affiliate links. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Another way to make money from Pinterest is through display advertising. Display advertising is a type of online advertising where you display ads on your website or blog. To make money from Pinterest through display advertising, you need to join a display advertising network. Once you've joined a display advertising network, you'll be able to place ads on your website or blog. Finally, you can also make money from Pinterest by selling your own products and services. If you have a website or blog, you can sell your own products and services directly to your audience. How to create content that people are searching for on Pinterest. The key to making money from Pinterest is to create content that people are searching for. So, how do you do that? First, you need to identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your content? Once you know your target audience, you can start to research the topics that they're interested in. You can use the Pinterest search bar to research topics. When you start typing in a topic, Pinterest will suggest related searches. This can give you some ideas of what people are searching for. You can also use Pinterest Analytics to see what topics your audience is interested in. Pinterest Analytics will show you the most popular pins on your profile and the most popular keywords that people are using to find your pins. Once you have a good understanding of the topics that your audience is interested in, you can start to create content on those topics. Here are a few tips for creating Pinterest content that people will love. 1. Use high-quality images and videos. Pinterest is a visual platform, so it's important to use high-quality images and videos in your pins. 2. Write clear and concise titles and descriptions. Your titles and descriptions should be clear, concise, and informative. They should tell people exactly what your pin is about. 3. Use relevant keywords. When you're creating your pins, be sure to use relevant keywords in the titles, descriptions, and image file names. This will help people find your pins when they search for those keywords. 4. Promote your pins on other social media platforms. Once you've created a pin, be sure to promote it on your other social media platforms, such as Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. This will help you reach a wider audience and get more traffic to your pins. Pinterest can be a powerful tool for making money online. By following the tips above, you can start to drive traffic to your website, blog, or online store and generate revenue.